Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. Welcome to my YouTube station. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. I worked there 10 long years. I probably should have worked there too, but it was great to work there, but it's better to be in tax defense. I used to be a revenue officer. I used to enforce the law regarding filing and not paying and all that, so I'm a national expert. I've been on the TV a lot, so just go to my website. These are not infomercials. I tell everyone about me. Just go to 777irs.com. I was just on News Nation, I think 2 weeks ago. Anyway, a lot of people have cold feet about filing their back tax return if they haven't filed in a while. It's natural. They're frozen. They don't want to file. They owe a lot of money. They don't know what to do, and I understand that. I used to go deliver federal summons for people to come in my office. I had that power. I used to seize cars, boats, planes, everything, funeral homes. I used to seize everything. And so I know the fear that you have of not filing. However, IRS knows you haven't filed. They're going to catch up, and it's best just to take care of this now. It really is. And let me tell you an easy solution. You can either do this yourself, which is not a problem, or you pay a professional like me to do that. And how the process is the first thing you do is you start with the official IRS record. What's that? Go to your IRS transcripts and pull up your wage and income transcripts. That's a starting point that lets you know what IRS knows about you for W-2s and 1099s. So with that in hand, you can start to build your tax return. Now, if you're self-employed, you may not have any records. Well, believe it or not, IRS accepts certain standards that we know that IRS says, okay, this is a group of standards or BIS stats that have been accumulated through all the years. So no matter what industry you're in, IRS accepts these standards based on your income, your expenses based on your income. It's easy to do. They're called reconstructive methods. So if you have lost your records, no matter what, stop the worry. Once you get your returns filed, you're going to feel good. Now the fright is, oh my God, I'm going to owe tax. What's the thing? Well, IRS is going to take a financial statement, and then usually you either can settle your debt through the offer. You may be able to get currently non-collectible because you don't have the money to pay, or you get in a payment agreement. Those are your three options. So if you need any more information, call me. I can get your returns filed, and then we kind of work out something with IRS. It's not going to end your life, but you need to at least start making your estimate payments so you stay current. Anyway, if you need me, stop having cold feet. Most people that call me, oh my God, there's fear. Let the fear and the cold feet go. Have a good one. I've been doing this a long time. Give me a subscription if you can. Thank you so much for listening.